Riker, what's going on? So today is harvesting day for our apricots and apriums, and we picked a few that we thought were ripe. This one is our Flora Gold apricot, this one is our cotton candy aprium, and this one is our Flavor Delight aprium. Now we are going to cut them up and eat them, and we'll tell you what we think they taste like.
Alright, so we're cutting them open now. This is the Flavor Delight aprium, and this one wasn't 100% ripe. Nice and orange inside.
The stone-like seed right there.
Hold on to me. What do you think, Riker?
It's pretty good, but it could have used a little more ripening.
Okay. Let's try the cotton candy aprium. This is my favorite. Oh, look at how juicy that is.
Seed's like covered in water.
Wow, that's awesome. All right, Riker.
This one was perfect.
Perfect, it was good? All right. Now here's the Flora Gold apricot. That one looks pretty juicy too. And this one's been a good producer for us. All right, Riker. Is that one really good? All right, what's your favorite so far?
Probably the cotton candy.
Okay. All right, so we're going to enjoy a lot of these this year. So hopefully you guys enjoyed our little tasting, and like and subscribe.